So today is going to be the first official day we clean the truck since installing the camper shell after being painted. It's about to get on. Okay, I got bugs and shit all on the truck. So I went ahead and sprayed it down with some of that Rain-X bug remover. It says let it sit for 5 minutes and then rinse off and wipe. But what I wanted to show y'all real quick, this is why you ceramic coat your wheels. Okay, so as you can see, this wheel is filthy. All right, you see that? This wheel is very dirty. Now, nothing has been sprayed to this wheel. Watch this. You can see all the dirt coming off. All right, now it still needs to get scrubbed, but it definitely knocked off a good bit of that dirt that was on there, okay? So this just makes it so much easier to clean. I mean, I'm gonna be able to wash these wheels. These are 22x14 wheels. I'm gonna be able to wash these wheels probably in 10 minutes, all four. That includes the tires. So I just wanted to show y'all that. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get it popping, okay? For the part everybody loves, machine gun style. Figure I'd make a little road vlog, driving to take the truck somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So the truck's clean, she feels good. That's music to my ears right there. So, yeah, so I figured I'd make a little mini vlog talking about to buy, delete it or not delete it. That is a question I get asked quite a bit, especially for you new guys. This video that you guys that are looking to or just got your first diesel. Well, actually, you're obviously looking for a diesel in this sense, but you know what I'm saying. New guys, this help too. What should you get? A deleted truck or a non-deleted truck? So check it out. Long story short is that you need to know who you're buying it from. All right, if you're buying private, from a 21-year-old kid or a 19-year-old kid. He got the truck deleted with 150 horsepower injectors, 10 mil CP3 pump. You know what I'm saying? He got all the fuel mods, stock transmission. You probably don't want to buy that deleted truck. I'm just being real with you, okay? You know, now let's say the truck is deleted, but you're buying it from an older gentleman, maybe in his mid-40s and up. You know, he used the truck just to haul his camper up to the park or up to the campsite. You know, he just wanted he wanted better fuel mileage and, you know, just better longevity for the truck. So he decided to delete it. You know, he probably got a simple tune on it, single file tune, or well, that's actually all you can really run. EFI Live, you can't run box tuners on a deleted 6.7, but you know, it's just simple delete, and that's probably going to be okay. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with getting a deleted truck from somebody if they took care of it. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Getting a deleted truck from a dealership, okay? So if you buy a truck that is deleted from a dealership, things you need to know. Who is the truck tuned by? 9 times out of 10, the ECM is going to be locked. If it has EFI Live on it, you need to find out, like, hey, did this truck come with a tuner? Anything like that, okay? Because when you tune a truck, a 6.7 Cummins with EFI Live, you will, in order to retune it, you're gonna have to have some type of tuner. You can't, and you cannot plug another auto cal into a truck that's already tuned with a current auto cal, if I'm correct. If I'm wrong, correct me down below, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So choosing between a deleted and a non-deleted truck, more specific, the 6.7 Cummins, all right? So like I said earlier, just know who you're getting it from, know what you're getting into, okay? It never helps to take somebody with you who knows or has some type of knowledge of the vehicle, of trucks, especially the diesels. If you're new to the game, don't be afraid to buy from a private seller. Don't think just because you're going to a dealership that you're getting the best deal or the best thing, you know what I'm saying? To be honest, I personally prefer buying from private. All vehicles I have owned have been private. Me, myself, I have never purchased a vehicle from a dealership. I prefer to buy private. Why? I can get a face-to-face with the owner. The person who owned the vehicle, who is driving it every day. I can see what type of person they are. I can see how they took care of the truck. They can tell me everything about the truck. Anytime I go look at a vehicle, the first thing I say, before I even get there, when I'm on the phone with the person, I'll say, hey, just tell me everything about the truck. Good, bad, I don't care. Just tell me. Just be honest with me. Just tell me everything. Just because you tell me, you know, an injector had to get changed, that doesn't mean that I'm not going to buy it. You know, now, if you said an injector got changed and, you know, you don't have any receipts or you don't have anything showing it got changed, then that's a little different. You know what I'm saying? But most people have some type of paperwork one way or another to show that type of stuff. I'm a firm believer in those type of buyers where they'll tell you everything that's been done to the truck, whether the transmission blew up, the engine, they'll tell you, and I like that. 2, buying privately, the biggest thing is you can haggle, you can negotiate. Cash talks, okay? You know, you go up to the dude's house, he got the truck in his driveway, he's trying to sell it, you roll up, you don't have to have the cash on you, and I have done this in the past. I've rolled up and said, hey, I have this much money cash in my pocket right now, can we make a deal? And I'd look him in the face and I'd be like, can we make a deal? And, you know, 9 times out of 10, it worked in my favor. Same thing with this truck. I did the same thing with this truck. When the guy was buying the truck, when the guy was selling the truck, he had it for sale for $32,000. Now, mind you, this is back in 2016. The truck had super low miles. It was legitimately worth what he was asking. But still, it doesn't hurt to ask. So I told him, I said, listen, man, I got a check in my pocket right now for $29,000. I said, let's do it. Can we make a deal? And this is already after I looked at the truck. I drove it. I said, you know, this is what I wanted. And sure enough, that day I signed the check over to him. He handed me the keys, and I drove off with what you guys know today as a 3rd gen mega cab. So definitely, I prefer private.
Now, if you're like myself or like any other diesel hobbyist, enthusiast, or whatever you want to call it, I can confidently say that I can look at a deleted truck and make an educated decision on whether I want to purchase it or not. But if you're brand new to the game, never had any diesel experience, you're not very knowledgeable yet on this stuff, I highly recommend sticking with a stock non-deleted 6.7 Cummins. Why? Two reasons. One is deleted, or it's not deleted. I don't know if you ever drove a non-deleted 6.7 versus a deleted 6.7, but it is a big difference in terms of throttle response. So why I say that is because by you getting a non-deleted truck and you have the intentions on deleting it, one, you're going to be able to do the deletes yourself, meaning you know it's going to get done right. You don't have to worry about somebody cutting corners, trying to rip you off, trying to overcharge you. Deleting a 6.7 Cummins is probably one of the easiest jobs you can do in terms of performance on this truck. It is very easy. Taking out the DPF filter, taking off the EGR cooler, all that stuff, obviously for race uses only, but it's very easy, very upfront. It's something you can do in your driveway. You know, give yourself a Saturday, give yourself a day, a Saturday or a Sunday, you know, have a couple beers so you can just chill and just take your time and go at it on your truck, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to pay someone to do that. It's very easy on these trucks. Also, you're going to be in control in terms of tuning, who you choose for tuning, what type of tuning you get, because as you know, if you're going to delete the truck, you will need tuning, okay? I'm not talking Bully Dog or Edge. I'm talking like a legit, like EFI Live Auto Cal, H&S Mini Max, what is it, the MM3 tuner, the Easy Link. You're going to need a legit tuner from a legit company to delete your truck, and you're going to be in control of all of that. You know, if you bought the truck and it's already deleted, you can't choose what delete kit goes on it. You can't choose what size exhaust. You can't choose none of that stuff because it's already done. Now you can change it, but then now you're doing things to a truck that's already been done, repetitive, you know what I'm saying? So take your time, enjoy your truck build, whether you're just trying to make a deleted truck to tow your camper, or you're trying to make a fun street driver, or you're trying to make an 800 horsepower truck. Enjoy it, do it yourself, save that money. You're gonna pay somebody else that's gonna do the same thing. In all honesty, you know, if I went to a diesel shop and they only specialize in working on 5.9 and 6.7 common rails, I think I'd have a pretty good chance to get a job, just because these trucks are that easy. And that's coming from somebody who's not a diesel mechanic by trade. I'm not. I'm just an everyday dude that does research and I read and I look up stuff. So keep that in mind when you're choosing, when you're thinking about it. You know, a lot of times you guys, you know, you'll message me asking me questions, and I love it. And some of the questions you ask, though, it's like, I can't really tell you. The biggest thing is that I get the questions asking me, hey, should I go with this truck? Or should I get this truck? Or, hey, is this a good deal? And that is such a subjective question, okay? The first thing, one, I don't know your budget. Two, I don't know what the trucks are going for in your area, because every area, trucks are going for a different price. If I look up a same year truck like mine here in Texas, I guarantee it's going to be probably about $5,000 cheaper in Texas versus where I'm at here, just because the market there is big as hell, and there's a shit ton to choose from. So it's going to be a little cheaper, you know, versus you go to somewhere like California, it's going to be more because not that many people out there are doing things to their trucks like that. So keep that type of stuff in mind when you're asking somebody, asking me, you know, what do I think about this truck? Is this a good deal? You just gotta use the internet, use Google, use KBB, use Kelley Blue Book, price it out, see what the average is in your area, and go from there. You know what I'm saying? Just do that type of stuff, and you'll be all right. You know, it's not hard. It's not a whole lot to look for on these trucks. They're very reliable. They're very simple up front. If there's an issue with these trucks, it's pretty apparent. If you have a code reader, take the code reader with you when you go to look at a truck, plug it up to the code reader and see if any codes come up. That's always useful. You can get a code reader online, I think nowadays for like 20 bucks. They even have the ones where you plug it up to the unit and you can sync it to your phone and you can pull codes and stuff, clear codes and whatnot. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff, man, a lot of stuff. But hopefully you guys got something out of this video. I really appreciate you guys checking it out, watching. Let me know how you like the driving vlogs. I actually want to start doing more of these. I think I'm gonna start taking my camera with me to work, so that way when I get off work and I have stuff in my mind like, oh snap, I gotta tell them about this. You know, I can just pull out the camera, start recording, start talking. I don't have to wait till I get home and then start filming. So I definitely like doing more driving vlogs. If you guys like it, please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this video. Any questions, also drop a comment down below. Make sure you're following Instagram, everything_diesel. And yeah, until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, and peace out.